In real-life applications, the input signals are generated by different kinds of sensors. The sensor transforms a physical unit into a voltage output, which is then acquired by the test hardware and shown in the displays of the measurement software. To make this process easy, SBent 6 provides a possibility for custom specific scaling and for using freely selectable custom units like N for Newton or like kilometers per hour. In this way, it is possible to rescale the input signals so the exact physical values are shown in the display. Here's an example. Double-click on the first channel or use a right mouse click to open the context menu, then choose Settings and click on it. The Setup dialog appears. Click on the Set Custom Unit checkbox to activate the function for this channel. In the Amplitude Max field, you insert the maximum voltage level of the source signal you want to rescale. In this example, we choose 1. This level is scaled to the maximum value that you set in the Custom Value Max field. As in example, we insert 5 here. Now we input the minimum amplitude of the source. For example, with -1, and the minimum custom value, in this example, -5. As the free choice custom unit, we insert N. Finally, click the OK button to see the display with the rescaled figures for N in yellow. Now let's set a second example. Double-click on channel 2, and in the Setup dialog, activate the Custom Unit function again. Below the settings, you will see some buttons with predefined scalings for probes and amplifiers. Pressing one of these buttons will use the currently selected input range as source amplitude, in this case 1 volt as default setting, and sets the custom unit to the predefined scaling factor. Just click the 100 to 1 button to fill out all fields at once, and then input kilometers per hour as the custom unit. Finally, click the OK button again. Now you see the new scale in red. To highlight the scale for a particular channel, click on the channel name in the display and all other scales will be shown much darker. Please note that the colours of the channels and the colours of the scales are not related to each other. If you lock a cursor, as described in video number 10, the Y scale values in the info display are also shown with a custom unit N and not as volt. The custom units are saved in the SBent 6 data file and will be restored when a data file is loaded.